Well, new at 6, a North Suburban Hospital now stripped of its trauma center designation.
We are learning more about the state's decision and why it's sparking concerns about patient care. WGN's Brona Tumulty has more from Waukegan.
Good evening, guys. The Illinois Department of Public Health making that call, telling us they told Vista Medical Center on Friday that their level 2 trauma designation had been revoked. In a statement today, they said that that was due to its absence of essential services needed to maintain this designation, including lack of a blood bank, anesthesia, neurology, urology, or a full-time trauma coordinator. This action does not affect other services at the hospital.
American healthcare systems is responsible for hospital operations and must immediately take action to protect the community and correct these deficiencies. Lives are at stake.
That's Lake County Coroner Jennifer Bannock speaking today at a press conference regarding the situation at the hospital, which is owned by a group called American Healthcare Systems. They're the third owner in 5 years. They acquired the hospital last July, with the facility at the time being approximately $15 million in debt. In December, Bannock, who has also worked on a contractual basis at the hospital as a nurse anaesthetist, says she raised some concerns in a letter to the hospital board. There have been allegations about staff and vendors not being paid on time, along with issues regarding supplies and equipment. Now, we chatted today with Faisal Gill, the Chief Legal Officer for AHS. He says Bannock's whistleblowing has no basis, that staff have always been paid on time, with the exception of a slight third-party glitch in the last pay period. He noted that, yes, they do owe money to vendors. That's something they are working on, but they've chosen to owe that money instead of, for example, laying people off.
The coroner did all this, but to what end? Like, she's not offered one solution. All she's basically doing is, oh, this hospital is this. Okay, by saying that, now what? Does she have a solution? Does she have a plan? No, not a single one. That's all she wants to do, but that's fine. We're leaving that noise aside, and we're going to continue to do what we've been doing, which is working at improving the hospital.
Now, Gill said it is going to take them at least a year to turn things around with Vista. He says they do not agree with the decertification and they are working with the state to resolve that. He says they are committed as well to staying in Waukegan. We chatted today with the mayor, the fire chief, the police chief. They said for now it is business as usual. All of this doesn't upset the apple cart massively because this was never a level 1 trauma centre. They did say what could be much more devastating is if the hospital obviously closed altogether, and that is something that everyone is hoping to avoid. We're in Waukegan. Brona Tumulty, WGN News.